No feedback arrows yet. This is guess 1. First accept the cookie banner, then focus the search field and type a distinctive popular title Inception to seed the dropdown. I will select the row and submit in the next batch after seeing suggestions. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target median equals movie. Year card is RED with a down arrow, meaning target is older than 2010 by more than 2 years before 2008. Rating card is RED with a down arrow, meaning target rating is lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5 below 8.3. Genres action, adventure, sci-fi all appear gray no highlight, so target likely shares none of those. Actors DiCaprio, Gordon-Levitt, Page and director Nolan show no green highlight, so none overlap. Constraints, movie, older than 2008, rating below 8.3, not action/adventure/sci-fi. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is green, target median equals movie. Year is RED with down arrow, target older than 2008, rating RED with down arrow, target below 8.3. Genres action/adventure/sci-fi not confirmed on target. I'll try a much older, high but lower rated classic drama, The Godfather 1972. Wait, Godfather rating is 9.2 which is higher, but arrow says lower than 8.8. Let me instead pick an older well-known drama around rating 8.0. I'll go with Forrest Gump. The screenshot shows the dropdown is still open and the newest feedback row appears to be for The Godfather, not a second submitted guess. Actually it shows guess 2 out of 10, meaning my Godfather guess registered. The Godfather feedback. Type card appears green movie, so target medium equals movie. Genres show crime gray and drama green, so target is drama but not crime. Actors Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, James Caan show no green highlight not on target. Director Francis Ford Coppola not highlighted. The green year/rating card area is partly hidden by dropdown, but one card is green. Constraints, movie, has drama genre, not crime, not Coppola/Godfather cast. I still need year/rating info which is obscured. Avoid The Godfather and Inception. Type is green. Target median equals movie. Godfather 1972 year RED down arrow equals target older than 1970, before 1970. Rating 9.2 RED down arrow equals target rating lower than 8.7. Genre drama green target has drama, crime gray not on target. So target, movie, before tilde 1970, rating below 8.7, has drama, not crime. Wait, the Inception feedback earlier had year down arrow, from 2010 meaning older than 2008, consistent. Now target is older than 1970. I'll test a classic drama film older than 1970. Let me guess 12 Angry Men 1957 which is drama/crime rated 9.0 too high. Try Gone with the Wind 1939 drama rated 8.2, older, fits. Typing that. Forrest Gump feedback. Type card green movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1994 is RED with down arrow, so target is older than 1994 by more than 2 years before 1992. Rating 8.8 RED with down arrow, so target rating lower than 8.3. Genres drama green and romance green, so target has both drama and romance. Actors Tom Hanks, Robin Wright, Gary Sinise no highlight not on target. Director Robert Zemeckis no highlight. Constraints, movie, before tilde 1992, rating below 8.3, has drama and romance genres. Avoid Inception, The Godfather, Forrest Gump. Type green confirms target medium equals movie. Forrest Gump 1994 year RED down equals target before tilde 1992. Rating 8.8 RED down equals target below 8.3. Genres drama and romance both green equals target has both. So target, movie, before 1992, rating below 8.3, drama plus romance. Casablanca 1942 is drama/romance rated 8.5 slightly high, but a strong classic drama/romance candidate. Actually 8.5 is above 8.3, so no. Let me pick Gone with the Wind 1939, drama/romance/war rated 8.2, fits year and rating. I'll type that instead. Casablanca 1943 feedback. Type card green movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 1943 is RED with down arrow, so target is older than 1943 before tilde 1941. Rating 8.5 is yellow with down arrow, so target rating is within 0.5 but lower roughly 8.0 to 8.4. Genres drama, romance and war all green, so target has drama, romance, war. Actors Bogart, Bergman, Henry and director Kurt is not highlighted. Constraints, movie, before 1941, rating tilde 8.0-8.4, drama plus romance plus war. Strong candidate, Gone with the Wind 1939, drama/romance/war rated 8.2. Avoid Inception, Godfather, Forrest Gump, Casablanca. Type green confirms target median equals movie. Casablanca 1943 year RED down equals target before tilde 1941. Rating 8.5 yellow down equals target 8.0-8.4. Genres drama, romance, war all green equals target has all three. Gone with the Wind 1939 is drama/romance/war rated 8.2, matches year before 1941 and rating range perfectly. Typing it, committing the row with enter then clicking guess button. Nailed it in 5 guesses. Today's answer was Gone with the Wind from 1940. The year-end rating arrows kept pushing me older and lower, and once Casablanca lit up drama, romance, and war as matching genres, that classic Hollywood humble pointed straight to the 1940 epic rated 8.2. Clark Gable and Victor Fleming sealed the win with all green cards.